Terra Luna Classic price is following the same pattern the rest of the altcoins in the crypto space are following. So it's not just Terra Luna Classic that is consolidating. Majority of your altcoins are probably consolidating as well. We are currently on the higher time frame for Terra Luna Classic, and we are currently trading around 0.4043. And we are consolidating between 0.4049 and also 0.4037 for Terra Classic. Now, like I said, I think congratulations once again if you took this trade. In the last Terra Classic video, I brought you guys attention to this previous low. I told you guys we might make an attempt to sweep that low, and the moment that is happening, expect a pump to the upside, which we tapped into that low territory and then got a pump to the upside. Now, a drop to the downside or upside is going to be determined by how the BTC price moves, which we are going to be talking about shortly. The BTC RSI on the 4-hour time frame just tapped into the overbought territory, which is signaling a potential reversal to the downside. We are going to be discussing this shortly, and if that is happening, then we all should expect further price move to the downside to retest this range low around 0.4037 for Terra Classic. If you're here to like this video, smash the like button, destroy the like button. We're going to be talking about the BTC price update and also the BTC dominance price update, and also look at some charts in order to get a clear picture of what we should really expect for Terra Classic in the coming days and weeks to get. So a flip of this resistance zone into a support is going to mark the beginning of a new price move to the upside. And in validation of this potential rally, I'm favoring a potential move to the upside down to the downside, but I won't totally roll out a potential move to properly tap into this territory before moving to this resistance, retracing from there, and then taking out that resistance, retesting it as support before going higher. So you get this move is also very likely, considering BTC is showing sign of reversal, which we are going to be discussing in this video. If BTC should go above 100k, then Terra Classic is likely to tap into this resistance territory and probably break above it. Now, this BTC chart is one of the most important catalysts that is going to give us a clear picture on how altcoins are going to move, either to the upside or downside. Now, this is the BTC price on the 4-hour time frame. Quickly, we are going to be talking about the BTC dominance in this video. Now, if you're paying attention, we have a potential reversal zone here, which is likely to act as a support territory. The reversal zone is between $94,700 and $93,800 for the price of BTC. Now, this is the BTC/USDT pair on the perpetual contract market. Now, by the time we tap into this territory, we are likely to get a bounce. We have 70% to 80% chance of getting a reversal, a bounce from here to the upside on the price of BTC. And if this pump should continue, then I'm looking forward to short BTC in this first resistance around the 100k level for BTC. By the time we tap there, we are likely to get a rejection. My final most local top resistance for BTC would be around $106,000 for BTC. So by the time we get to the $106,000, surely I think we have 80 to 95% chance of getting a retracement from there. By the time BTC, even if BTC overcomes the 100k, flip it into a support, then the 106k territory is likely to be the local top resistance on BTC. So let's even check what the RSI is saying. RSI is currently in the overbought territory. The last time we tapped into the overbought territory, we corrected and sold to the downside. The RSI corrected aggressively. So we are now in that same territory, the overbought territory, on the same level with the previous high. So I won't be surprised if we start getting a rejection from here into this potential reversal zone. A loss of this potential reversal zone, and a flip of it into a resistance is likely to send BTC price lower than expected. Like seriously. And if BTC is going down this much, then altcoins are going to get massacred as well. So yeah, that's that for that. So The moment we start getting this rejection to tap into this liquidity pool once again, then altcoins are likely to reject as well and tap into their support territory before getting a bounce from there to the upside. If you're paying attention to the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, nothing really has changed on the BTC dominance. And we are currently at 59.65% on the BTC dominance. We are still expecting that aggressive move to the downside, which usually leads to a massive altcoin rally. We had that move in 2017 when an altcoin shot aggressively to the upside. Same move happened in 2021, and altcoin rallied aggressively to the upside. Now we're waiting for that move to happen probably in 2026, and the moment this BTC dominance begin her aggressive correction, then altcoins are going to go parabolic and ballistic to the moon. Like seriously, that is when you can start expecting to see 100% gain, 200% gain on a daily basis on your portfolio. This is the orders chart against the BTC pair on the monthly time frame. Now, for those who don't know what the orders chart is, it is the ratio total crypto market cap excluding the top 10 and BTC market cap. Now, the last time the orders chart found her bottom on this, I call it a multi-year significant trend line. The last time it found her bottom was when the quantitative tightening came to an end, August 1st, 2019. And when the quantitative tightening came to an end, what happened? It marks the bottom of the entire market, and from there we start rallying, coiling up gradually until we exploded. Now, I think same playbook is repeating herself. The 2019 playbook is obviously and literally repeating herself before our very eye. Quantitative tightening came to an end December 1st, 2025. And what happened? The market bottomed and proceeded with a bullish brief pump in January 2026. That should ring a bell. That should give you a green light and also open your eye that the market has bottomed. Even if we should get any pullback, I believe it's still not going to go below this trend line we are seeing right here. And I'm expecting a bounce from this trend line all the way to this high. And that bounce is going to be massive. The moment that bounce is happening, altcoins are going to pump 10x easily. We pump to this high and then retrace into Q2 ending 2026, which is likely to be the bear market, the start of the bear market. The moment we retrace into that zone, found support here, I think 2027 is going to be massively disastrous for the bears. The bulls are going to make a lot of money by the time we tap bottoms this year and then rally in 2027. But this rally you're seeing right here, like I've said countless times, it is still going to be very, very massive for altcoins this year by the time this move begins. It's not over until it's over. Smart monies are quietly positioning themselves ahead of the rally. You know what to do already. My name is Isaac. Like this video if you haven't already. Invest wisely. Peace out.